Taking a look at the energy markets today, I want to focus on WTI crude. WTI actually down slightly on the day after the big rally. We're seeing a little bit of give up today, just below that 66 level, currently trading around the 65.78 level. We did see a high of 66.43 earlier in the day, a low of 65.67. So again, just hovering just off of those recent highs and really 2019 highs. And some of the factors here today that are playing into the market, the EIA number was released this morning, and with that we saw a bigger build than expected. And I think interesting within those numbers was the import numbers. We saw imports coming into the U.S. at a 1-month high, and that helped increase those inventories about 5 times larger than what the expectation was. And with that, we did see some selling pressure on the WTI space after that number was released. Also, I want to point out that another dynamic that's taking place in the crude space today is the spread between WTI and Brent. We're seeing that widen out quite significantly actually today, about 50 cents. So we're seeing WTI down on the day, but your Brent's holding right in there, right around the 74 half level. So basically unchanged on the day. We're seeing that spread widen out to about $8.75. So again, moving out quite significantly on the reaction to some of the dynamics in the market, particularly when you look at OPEC. The news out of OPEC this morning that basically they indicated that they do not plan on changing any of their production cuts at this point, given the fact that the Iranian waivers are now going to be halted here on May 2nd. There was some talk that will OPEC and particularly Saudi Arabia shift their dynamics. But as of this morning, the Saudi oil minister indicated that they do not plan to change any of their tact right now in the production cuts. And they're leading into this June meeting in OPEC. They said basically going into that June meeting, we're going to stay the course right now and stay within the realm of what we had set up going into 2019. So that's another factor why I think you're seeing maybe some of the overseas oil space, particularly when you look at Brent holding its bid relative to WTI here today.